The hills breathe low where the cold winds sigh. A shadow falls where the stone walls lie. Soft whispers rise through the heather sweep, carrying tales the earth can't keep. Oh, wandering rose, where do you roam? Through fields of sorrow, far from home. Petals fall where the wild sea flows. Oh, tell me the tale of the wandering A shepherd's crook stands bent with time. The bells of dust, they softly chime. Ashes scatter where fires once burned. Dreams of the lost to the soil return.